Hello, my name is Annie Nurfitri, commonly called Annie. I am from the 23rd Accounting Education. Here I will introduce you to the hand body Lovely Wet UV Instant Bright. Lovely Wet UV Instant Bright is a body lotion to provide bright, moist, and protected skin from sunlight. With the content of vitacinamide advanced with just 100x more antioxidant than ordinary vitamin C. Enriched with red pomegranate extract, this product also helps nourish dry and dull skin, making it smoother and more radiant. Another advantage of Amaran Lovely Wet UV is effective UVB protection, so you don't need to worry about skin damage due to sun exposure. Simply applying this lotion evenly throughout the body after bathing to feel the benefit every day. Long-lasting fragrant aroma of use is increasingly fun. With a size of 500 mg, this product is also very economical and suitable for a skin type. Get healthy and radiant skin with Amaran Lovely Wet UV Instant Bright. Bye bye, see you.